Hello everyone, and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial. I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor Oturole Mojibola. I know you're watching me for the first time, and I would like to welcome you specially to today's video. And all we're doing on this channel is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. We definitely want to ignite your passion for creativity and ensures that at least you reduce your family expenses on footwear, and of course you can also increase your income. Now today we're going to be looking at this beautiful slide. We are going to be doing a full course on this, from pattern cutting to upper creation to lacing and to bottoming. It's going to be a detailed one, but we are definitely going to do this in series. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have not liked this video, ensure you like it. And of course I want you to sit back. I'm gonna be right back. All right, the first thing we are going to be doing is we're going to be taking the necessary measurements for our design. Don't forget we are creating slippers that has a round ring. So I'm going to be having like 1 inch here, or 1 inch, or 1.5 inch, and then this is 6, which makes it 7.5. So the length of this particular one is going to be 7.5. That's 7.5 inch. So now another part of it is the one that the ring, we have a ring on this side. So the ring is going to be suspended this way and it's going to come down this way. So for this we are also going to be having like 7.5. Then the ring is also on there's also that strap here. The reason I folded it is the part that will go pass inside the ring. So this point we also have 7.5. So with that, don't forget this part is suspended to the ring. We have 5.5, 5.5. Then this other part too is suspended to the ring. We are still going to, I'm just giving us an average. This is going to be about 4.5. Now what am I going to be doing now? What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using for my straight strap, which is the one under, as you can see on the screen. I'm going to use about 3 centimeters. I think 3.5 centimeters will be fair if you're working for let's say like size 38, 39, 40. Yes, you can use 3.5 as the width of that strap. You understand? So 3.5 will be very perfectly okay. Then also considering the size of your ring, because that one too is going to do a lot in it. So I'm going to suggest that has already answered itself. We're going to just measure the 4 centimeter width and then measure 7.5. Now what is 7.5 in centimeter? Just pick up 7.5 on your tape rule, fold this way and check the other side. It gave us 19 centimeter. So it will be 19 by 4 centimeter. Now that is not even the major one. The major part is this part. You find out that the one on this side is tiny. It's tiny here, while this side is wide. So we want to ask ourselves, what are we going to use as that width? So I'm going to also use 4 for the width. The length is 7.5. That's also 19. So let's go. So I'm going to measure 4. Please follow me to show you how you are going to actually work on that part that is tiny and the part that is not tiny. So we said it's going to be 19. The length is going to be 19. 19 will stop around here. Let's measure if this is up to 4 or more. So this is 4. This is 4. So let's connect together. All right, you can see what we have here. So I was talking about the fact that a part of this was this part is tiny, while this part is wide. Now before I go ahead and do what I want to do, I'm going to open it up a bit. I'm opening it up for the sake of the part that I'm going to fold in before I begin the measurement. So the part I'm folding in, is supposed to be 3.5 centimeter. The part I folded this way was actually 3.5. So this is much more. So I'm going to try to bring it back a bit. So this is 4 like this. It does not matter. It will still be okay. So let's say we have folded 4. You can fold 3.5 for your own. So I'm going to reduce this side to 1 centimeter. Please follow me. Now this is the middle of this. That is the middle. Let me try to zoom in. This is at 2. That's where we have the middle of the 4. So from this side to this side, I'm going to measure 0.5, and from here to here another is 0.5. I just want 1 centimeter in between. So I'm going to draw like a slant down, another slant down. So this is what I'm going to be having after drawing the slant. So you know I folded it. That place is going to be folded, so we are going to cut it like that. I'm sure you can see this. The reason I folded is because I want to be sure that what I have under is not wider, and I don't want it to be showing when I fold. I'm sure you can see what this is. So by the time we suspend the ring into this side, into this side, it comes this way. Can you see that when we suspend this? When we do the same thing on this side as well, the same thing happens. Don't forget, this same one is what we're going to be suspending to the ring here. So what you will do at every point in time is you will fold this. Then you'll remember you have extra for lashing. That will be for this side. Then you can easily fold that part just to be able to know where to stop when you want to cut. You're going to come to this side and put this. The ring is suspended. You're also going to increase this one because of the lashing allowance. No, it should not be bent. So you can see what I have. So it means you're going to cut this straight one. You're going to cut 4. 1 here, 1 here, and then the second leg too will have the same thing. Then you are going to also cut 2 of this shorter one, which is the one that will be here. You are going to cut 2 of this, one, which is going to be here. I hope you understand that. Then we are going to actually cut the long strap, which is also 4 by 19 centimeters. So that is basically how to cut out this particular pattern. Now it's not like this is the only way you can cut this, but this is the simplest way you can actually cut this and absolutely enjoy it. So I hope with this you should be able to cut your own pattern. And of course, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how do I now put the whole part together. How do I perfectly lace this? This is actually going to be a full video. When I say full video, yes, I meant it. So we're going to have it in series, like in 3 series. Yes, it should be in like 3 or 4 series depending on the time, because I want to really show us how to line it, how to prepare the upper. For those who might want to stitch, I also want to show you how to stitch. I hope you're already preparing for Christmas. If you're still thinking, oh, what am I going to do for the Christmas, I want you to stick to this channel. There are so much to actually learn here if you want to create something unique for your Christmas, especially if you want to do it yourself. You are actually at the right place. If you haven't liked this video, ensure you like. If you haven't to subscribe, ensure you subscribe. We are actually going to be having our next children masterclass soon, so I need you to be prepared. Of course, in the masterclass we learned a lot. This is one of the designs we learned in the masterclass, and I want you to know that it's all children, from their school shoes, of course, to shoe dress, such as this for girls. We also taught different sandals, as in is totally beginner friendly. So if you would like to participate, make sure you stick to this channel. Go and follow me on Facebook, go and follow me on Instagram at Jibbyfemforte, and I'm sure you will be able to keep up with daily happenings on this channel. Thank you once again. I still remain your shoemaking it easy tutor, Odruli Wejbola. I'm gonna catch you. See you next time. Bye.